Hello viewers, welcome back to Gatgets Compare. In this video today we compare two smartphones which is Samsung Galaxy M40 versus Samsung Galaxy S10. So let's see the full video. Display type, display size, resolution, touch screen, pixel density, aspect ratio, screen to body ratio, refresh rate, screen type, protection, storage, smartphone RAM, smartphone memory, card slot, body design, has body weight, has body dimensions, has colors, has SIM slot, water resistant, back design, front design, body frame, platform, chipset, processor, graphic unit, operating system, main camera, megapixel, main second camera, main third camera, features, video recording, selfie camera, has selfie camera megapixel, camera feature, video recording, connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, positioning, NFC, infrared port, radio, USB connectivity, battery, battery type, battery capacity, battery charging, sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, compass sensor, proximity, heart rate, SpO2, sound feature, loudspeaker, 3.5 mm jack, network, technology, launch date, market status. As a result, price, has price USD. Thanks for watching. If you have compared any smartphones, so please comment in the video, and if you have buy the smartphones, link in the description. Also like, share and subscribe Gatgets compare.